Continue with exponents. We're asked here to write this expression as a power of a given exponent. So let's write it as a power of b. So what I'm going to do here is this. I'm going to use this rule, and we're going to get b to the 3n, aren't we? And then we know that b to the n times b to the n is b to the 2n, isn't it? It sure is. And then when we simplify this, we're going to get b to the 3n minus 2n, which is b to the nth power. Well, that one wasn't bad. I actually did this wrong when I was working on paper. I just looked over it and I was like, you know what? This is, well, frankly, it was wrong. This is correct. This is the correct answer. The way I did it the first time was the wrong answer. God, I can't believe it. All right, it happens, right? It happens. So here's the second example. What if we have this? What if we have the square root of b to the 2n power over b to the negative 2n power? Couple ways to do this. And I think I'm going to do it this way. Let's do it this way. Let's just use this rule that says that the square root of a over b is the same as the square root of a over the square root of b. So we're going to use this rule. I'm going to try this. So the square root of b to the 2n over the square root of b to the negative 2n. And then I'm going to take this rule that says that the square root of x is actually equal to x to the 1/2 power. So I'm going to take b to the 2n to the 1/2 power over b to the negative 2n to the 1/2 power. Right? This should make some sense. And we know this, that if we have a to the m to the nth power, we multiply these two, so we get a to the m times n. So I'm going to multiply this, so I'm going to get b to the n power over b to the negative n power. This thing is using a lot of rules. This is actually pretty cool. Here, we're going to use the next rule, and this rule says that if we have x to the m over x to the n, what we really have is x to the m minus n. So I'm going to do that here. We're going to get b to the n minus negative n is equal to, is equal to b to the 2n power. And there's our answer. All right? So rules of exponents. I hope it was really, really helpful. This stuff pays off forever. I swear it does. So keep up the good work, you guys. Oh, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And your comments, always welcome. I try to respond as fast as I can.